Hello guys, Lauki is not just for making sabji, it can also make a delicious and healthy paratha. So let's get start the recipe. So here we need to take Lauki, wash it thoroughly and peel off the outer skin and then grate it nicely. So here I have already grated and transferred it into a bowl. So after that add some finely chopped onions and salt and mix everything well and rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This will help the release excess water from the Lauki. So we will keep aside 5 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, take the Lauki bowl and take the Lauki little by little in both hands. You can see in the video with your both hands and squeeze it properly to remove the excess water. Repeat the same process until you have squeezed out all the water from the Lauki. Once done, transfer the squeezed Lauki into a bowl. Here I am using same bowl, so first I am discarding the excess water from the bowl and using the same bowl to prepare our mixture. Now loosen the grated Lauki nicely with your hand, separate it properly. Now add some chopped green chilies, grated carrot, half cup of besan, half cup of jowar flour and 1 cup of wheat flour. Add some salt to taste, red chili powder, turmeric powder along with cumin seeds and ajwain. Crush the ajwain slightly with your hands to release its flavor and add some coriander leaves. Now the last we need to add water little by little and mix everything properly. Make sure there are no lumps and all the spices are evenly mixed together. So don't add too much water at once, add it gradually until you get the perfect consistency. Now you can see in the video consistency of the batter. So now heat the pan properly. Once it's hot, spray little oil on the pan and place the prepared dough mixture onto it. Now spread the mixture evenly with the help of spoon, giving it a nice round shape. You can ignore my paratha shape. Cover it with a lid and let it cook properly for few minutes. After few minutes, remove the lid and check the bottom of the paratha with the spoon. Once it is turns nicely golden brown, then carefully flip the paratha and let it cook on the other side as well until it turns golden brown. And there you go, our delicious and healthy Lauki paratha is ready to serve, which has high water content and is a good source of fiber which can support digestion and help you keep you feeling light and satisfied. So I am making another paratha of the remaining batter with the same procedure. So now you can enjoy your delicious paratha with curd, chutney or your favorite dip. Do comment below, let me know your favorite dip with the parathas, and you can also join us on our weight loss journey by subscribing to my channel. Please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching the video.